Hey everyone, Tommy with Seattle Boat Company here, and this is the surf boat. This is a twin engine surf boat, Cobalt's new R33 Surf. So they've taken the R33, they've put the forward facing Volvo outdrives on it, they've added the zip wake tabs, surf gates, and now you've got a twin engine 33-foot surf boat. Let's go take a look at what makes this boat the best surf boat. Now, just like the traditional R33, flip down swim step, optional hydraulic platform, you've got your stow trunk in the back, either for just some items or the optional splash and stow. Flip up cushions make it nice and relaxing, and then as we enter into the boat, the layout's going to be very, very similar. Board racks on both sides of the tower for storage for your surfboards. You've got storage underneath your seat cushions, storage in the floor, great double wide helm seat here at the helm, and a double wide helm seat at the observer's area that does rotate so you can actually check out everybody surfing behind the boat. Just like the traditional R33, you've got your head here on the port side, you've got a little cabin here on the starboard side, in-floor storage, and a great, awesome lounging area up here in the bow. I've got great armrests facing forward. I can also sit comfortably with my back right here if I want to check out what's going on behind the boat. And I also have a little bit of storage. So the helm of the R33 Surf looks identical to your traditional R33. Got great button layout for all my lights, tilt steering wheel, stereo control, both ignition keys, and my Garmin glass cockpit. The main difference is one of the options to view on the screen is now your surf screen. So to get to your surf settings, go into Home, Layouts, Smart Mode, and press Surf. This is going to still keep your traditional nav map on the port hand screen, but on the starboard screen, on the right half, you're going to be able to set your cruise speed. When the boat is running, you'll be able to select surf left or surf right. Then you just throttle up to your set speed and off you go. The boat also has the zip wake tabs. To get to that, hit Home, Layouts, Vessel, and then you're going to go over and you're going to find zip wake. Zip wake tabs are going to deploy straight down off the transom of the boat and help give you that awesome shape of the wave for surfing. The R33 Surf combines two boats into one. You've got your great luxurious cruising Cobalt that you know and love, that now you can actually surf behind it with no additional ballast needed, just the forward facing drives, the surf gates, and a bunch of your friends on board. You're sure to have a fun day out on the water. I hope you enjoyed this tour. From all of us at Seattle Boat, we'll see you on the water.